it's my turn. Pauline's advice were 3 slides, so I thought for the first meeting I will follow your advice still. Yeah, we are in Work Package 2, and we are 3, so to say, faculty members. As I said before, I'm from the University of Graz, and my research focus is in corporate sustainability, innovation, and circular economy. And in the Work Package together with me is Tatjana Rez from Troyes and Walter from Utrecht. I'm not sure, are you speaking Spanish? Okay. So we will see that this will have an effect on later on what we're doing. Walter explained nicely day-to-day problems if you want to do something for circularity. And what we are looking at in our work package is the role of companies into that. So here are just 2, there are so many, there are 116 definitions I learned last week in a conference about circular economy. And I think there are more than 100 different drawings showing all kinds of circles and things like that. What is important in my point of view is at every stage there are different actors contributing or not contributing to circular economy, and the very important actors are companies, and not just at the end of the life cycle, waste management companies providing other services at the end of the life cycle, but also starting with the beginning of the life cycle. And what we are looking at is what are these companies doing from 2 perspectives. One from a corporate perspective, meaning which strategies and visions and activities are performed by companies in different life cycle phases. So like what Rolls-Royce is doing, which is related to circular economy. So this is one view we will apply. So at different phases, so they're all different kind of companies, and what is an individual company doing or not doing related to circularity. And the other view is from a product perspective, yeah? Because if you want to do something for circular economy, it's about the overall impact and the overall outcome of all these activities. So this is the second perspective we will apply in the work package. And why do we want to do that? We want first to better understand what is going on at the moment, and we want to give advice for companies, for policymakers. Ideally, we will develop some frameworks which can then be applied in practice and help to boost circular economy practice. And these are the 3 different perspectives. So the first perspective, out of a single company, what are corporate strategies and activities? The second idea is to look at how we call it sustainable product management. So this is the term we are using for this product perspective. We add sustainable because circularity per se is not a goal in our understanding. It's a means to an end. So having something circular has no own value. Yeah, there is a value because we have then better performances, reduced impacts, and so on. And here the idea is to look a bit on IT-enabled data management. So when we want that companies are closing the loop and cooperate along the life cycle, and that these R strategies are functioning along the life cycle, then we need maybe other product designs. We will maybe need information about the use phase, about the product status and performance. So data are the linking element in that. So this is the idea for the second one. And for the third one is to look deeper into eco-design and the relation to local resources, and how can eco-design help to use local resources in products and product service systems. And we are doing that with 3 PhD projects. So the first one is business strategies and practices for circular economy. This is done by Thomas. We didn't speak about that before, but could you add, if you want, a few more sentences than you had before, or not? So it's just up to you.
Yeah, no problem. My name is Tomas. I'm from Chile. I'm going to be working with business strategies and practices for a circular economy. My background is I did a bachelor in business administration and economics in Chile. I worked for a few years in large, medium, and small companies. I have my own entrepreneurship in Chile, an ecotourism company. And then I did a master in sustainability and business close to here, the University of Leeds, and now here working on this project. So the main goal is, my main point of view is how to encourage companies to really embed circular economy into them and research about strategies, business models, practices.
Thank you. So the second topic is sustainable product lifecycle management in the circular economy. It's done by Anna. If you.
So hello, you already know me. I'm Anna. I'm from Barcelona. I studied biotechnology for my bachelor, so I come from a sort of a technical background. But then I specialized in environmental systems analysis in the Netherlands. And yeah, I involved in the project 2.2, so addressing the circular economy from a product life cycle perspective. And yeah, my initial ideas are probably exploring what sort of KPIs can companies use to really track keep track of their circularity strategies, and yeah, how that product life cycle can take shape under the lens of circular economy. So yeah.
Yeah, and both our projects are done in Graz. So the first one is supervised by me together with Walter, the second one together with Tatiana from Troyes. We have non-academic partners in both cases in the public and private sector. So in the first project we are cooperating with a rather innovative waste service company. They do a lot already into the direction of digitalization, and here we have an IT service company. They are developing and selling compliance software in the sustainability area. And the third project is about local resources and integrate them in low product service systems, as defined. If you like, it's your possibility.
Yeah, so good morning again. I'm Estefania Delgadillo. I'm Mexican. I studied industrial design as a bachelor, and then I worked for 3 years as industrial designer in the development of electronics. And after that, I decided I didn't want to keep on doing the ways like that, and I wanted to understand how our approach was affecting our systems overall. So then I studied in the sustainable resource management at the TUM, the Technical University of Munich, and now I'm here with you. And my approach is from the design perspective. How can we give tools or methods for designers, like all the people involved in the development of products, to integrate local resources. And yes, that's it.
Okay, thank you. And this project is supervised by Tatiana together with me. Shall we add something to that? I think there are cooperation with some big French companies on doing that on the way.
For instance, we don't know, but maybe more in the automobile sector, and we will see. It depends that the main objective of the PhD. So we'll see.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, and as you might have observed, this is the Spanish-speaking work package. So except for me, everyone speaks Spanish, so let's see how we deal with that.
Also, you've got a Venn diagram. Very deal. Alfred Venn was born in Holland.
Well, here the courtesy goes to Paulina. Yeah. I used your slides for doing that. Okay, thank you, that's it.